Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we will explore Taiwan Semiconductor in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2024, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.79. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 1.56%. This results in an average return of 0.78% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and moderately rising trend in the short term, suggesting the possibility of further upward movement. The trend observed over the past 3 months indicates a potential change of 6.8% in the upcoming 3 months, with an expected return ranging from negative 4.94% to 24.91%. Looking at the trend over the past 12 months, a change of 99.23% is anticipated over the next year, with a potential return between 78.27% and 138.16%. This implies a projected price range between $297.92 and $398.01 after a year. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor features the headline, "A positive trading day for Taiwan Semiconductor stock after an increase of 1.56%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, the Taiwan Semiconductor stock price rose by 1.56%, moving from $164.55 to $167.12. Throughout that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.79%, with a low of $163.24 and a high of $167.80. Although the price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains up by 3.2% over the previous 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a cumulative total of 19 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.24 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $193.47 and its lowest price of $84.02. Currently, the price sits at 13.62%, or $26.35, below the 52-week high of $193.47, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, known as TSM, has made headlines today with a remarkable increase of 45% in revenue for the month of July. This marks a significant acceleration in growth compared to the previous quarter. This upswing is largely attributed to strong demand for artificial intelligence chips, reinforcing TSM's vital role in the expanding AI sector. As the world's largest contract chip maker, TSM's performance highlights its competitive advantages in a rapidly evolving market landscape. The stock has experienced an impressive rise of 64% year-to-date, and analysts continue to regard TSM as a leading contender in the semiconductor industry. Market sentiment remains optimistic as TSM is featured as a stock to watch in the upcoming months, and its upward trend appears to be intact despite recent market fluctuations. In the short term, the surge in sales and ongoing interest from institutional investors could drive the stock price higher. Long-term prospects also look promising, with TSM being identified as a potential player with a $1 trillion valuation by the year 2030, reflecting the anticipated growth in semiconductor demand alongside advancements in technology. Overall, today's news underscores TSM's resilience and capacity for growth, solidifying its position as a significant player in the semiconductor space and potentially impacting its stock price positively in both the near and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 19th of July, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned a buy grade to TSM, accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 11th of July, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned a positive grade to TSM, also with a hold action. On Thursday, the 20th of June, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna gave TSM a buy grade paired with a hold action. On Thursday, the 20th of June, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned a grade of underperform to TSM with a hold action. On the same day, the 20th of June, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein gave TSM an outperform grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of Taiwan Semiconductor. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and so far, it has risen approximately 12.96%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term developments. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock currently holds a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, indicating a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $170.25. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $156.87. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would add a sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative outlook. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 12 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average has issued a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 179 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at 160.28, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 4.56 between its high and low, which represents 2.79%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 6.60%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 17th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.69. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $171.20. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor faces its first support level at $160.28. If this support level holds, it might present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor presents several concerning indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. As for trading on Monday, the 12th of August, we anticipate Taiwan Semiconductor will open down by $1.07, starting at $166.05. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please do not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.